I had the most simplest 24th birthday. And that's why this vlog is only 1 minute long. So here's a little recap. I started vlogging my day from St. Kilda. I'm all about water views, so I had to go see some water. And St. Kilda, in my opinion, is one of the cute places in Melbourne. So it felt like a good place to go for my birthday. And yeah, I am very indecisive when it comes to deciding where to eat. And my birthday was no exception. And because it was my birthday, everyone was expecting me to find a place. So because I ended up craving burrito tacos, I ended up finding this Mexican place in St. Kilda. And the burrito tacos were so good, so worth it. Did a bit of walking around, like some window shopping after lunch. And then I felt like having a little sweet treat. And these cookies caught my eye. And while having the cookies, decided to go for a little beach walk. Then we made our way to the city because we are going to catch a comedy show where the lineup is of lawyers and former lawyers, which felt like an appropriate thing for a fellow lawyer like me to do on her birthday. Went to my favorite bubble tea place after the show. I love it because you get to personalize your boba. And then of course my sister requested that we should take some photos in the photo booth at Hama Film. And they turned out really, really cute. And because I was so tired at the end of the day, decided to get takeout from my favorite restaurant and chilled out. So that was pretty much my birthday. Thank you for watching this minute long video. Bye!